Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about join.co, and it is an amazing platform for best automated financial reporting. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trials as well free exclusive rewards and different type of benefits. So before we dive in, let me tell you that this site is for financial reporting again, and you know how important financial reporting is. So it have a couple of features for you, and you can see we are currently inside the dashboard of the platform. You can simply click on this add company option to add your company. You can connect to your Xero, QuickBooks, Sage Accounting, or any of these options that are used by you, and they will be populated on your dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you can see you have your budgets section, and there you will be having your budgets according to your business and the company that you add. You have your financial reports, like for example your trial balance, balance sheet, and all of that is going to be associated with the company that you are going to be adding. So you can also have your report packets and sales reports. So this is really simple and beneficial for your site if you simply get your company successfully added in here. You can also head over to their pricings and plan section if you want to purchase for a better version of the plan. So it is also really suitable and nothing that complicated and expensive. Make sure to give it a try and join.co. You can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.